How to log in into Keka account. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device that you prefer, and in the search URL, just type in keka.com, then press enter in your keyboard. After that, you will get to the official web page of Keka. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner and there you'll find login button. You have to click on it. Now you will get to login prompt. As you can see on this interface, on your right hand side, there is a login prompt. So first of all, you have to enter email or mobile associated with your Keka account. Or if you have created an account using Microsoft account, Google account or your username, you can choose anyone from here. Here I will choose the username. Now to log in with your username, first of all, you have to provide your company domain name. So enter your company domain name. Under that, you have to enter your username. Make sure you enter your correct username associated with your account. Under that, enter your password. And under that, there is a verification. For that, you have to type in this CAPTCHA given in your interface. Once it's on with this process, entering your company domain name, your username and password, click on this login button. If you have entered the correct login information, you are logged in with your Keka account and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.